one of the things I'm blessed with on the channel is sometimes the opportunity to try out new products and new things. And I've got one today that isn't just a cool product, but you can actually use in the parks. So I've been blessed once again with another product to try out, to examine, to give a review and an unboxing. And it's actually something that you can use in the parks. Unlike the headphones and some of the other stuff I've had, this is another set of headphones that I just received, and they are the Cystereo Fusion Glare Bluetooth earbuds. So yes, you can actually take these into the parks and use them and wear them there, which I'm really excited about. I'm looking forward to giving these things a good try here, but we're going to go ahead and unbox them, let you see, and then I'm going to try them out, use them, give you a nice review. But I'm excited about this. I mentioned in my review of the other headphones that I have that I was really excited to have a good pair of noise-canceling headphones. These have been absolutely wonderful to use on my computer. Now, my computer doesn't have Bluetooth, so I do have to use the cord to use them at the computer. But these have been great because they have been comfortable, they sound fantastic, and absolutely love them. A couple of my problems with earbuds is I have odd-shaped ears. And so it's hard to find earbuds that are comfortable. That and Bluetooth. If I can ditch the cord, I am happy to. And I have tried various things over the years. We've got these lovely little deals that were Bluetooth with the cord. And with the boxes, yeah, that didn't work real well. And then we actually ended up with another little headset here. Again, Bluetooth. And this was okay, but you still got stuff kind of hanging around. And these didn't fit great either. And then we had these clips, which these were just plain uncomfortable, plus the little box hanging off. So I'm actually really excited to see how well these work. I've seen them in a lot of other different videos, at least this style. This style seems to be real popular. Apple has pretty much popularized it, but then Samsung has their own version of them as well. So we're going to open this up, handy dandy pocket knife, and check it out. See if we can get the shrink wrap to open. There we go. So when you open it up, you find a box. Isn't it amazing? And of course, you've got the little paper guide there, the user manual, which that's actually a fairly thick manual, as you can see. There's a lot to that. Let's see. Packing list. And how far does it go in English? It's about 20 pages or so in English. So that's the English part. The rest is all the different languages because it goes everywhere. Made in China. Hey, they ship it all around the world. And then you pull out and you've got two other things in here. You've got a little box up on top, which will open up first, and then the actual case below it. I am guessing that the small paper box is probably the charger cable. And sure enough, that is charger cable, USB, USB-C, the new one. And it looks like a couple extra earbuds in here, so that way you can size it. So hopefully with my odd ears, I can find one that will work. It does have, if you can see that in there, there are two extra sets in there. So looks like a really small one and then a bigger one. And then of course the actual earbuds. You've got the USB plug right there. That's where you'll plug it in to charge it. So we will be doing that here in a little bit. And then when you open it up, it looks just like that. And that's actually how they rest in there as far as charging goes. So I'll pull the one out and let you take a look. And we will get these charged up, and then I will sync them with my phone here. And that way you'll be able to hear what kind of audio quality it produces. So we'll get them ready to go. Okay, so as I'm getting these ready to charge, I'm looking at the booklet here. And a couple things to note. When you pull it out, you will notice that there is actually a little sticker there. That's actually the charging post. So you got to pull the stickers off to make sure you can charge it. Otherwise, it won't work. And that gives you a little better idea of what the charging posts actually look like. And then your controls for actually that gold knob right there. That's actually a button. And it will push in right there. In this case, that's all your controls, and both of them are like that. You can't actually feel a click when you push it, so it's going to be touch sensitive. If you push it, it doesn't move at all, but that's how all the controls are set. So it's just going to be a quick tap on the ear, and that'll be getting it ready to go and controlling it. The book is real simple. Power on, pair, get it set up. So if you are somebody who doesn't have a clue how to do this, it will even tell you how to wear the earbuds. This is tough. Cushion, put it in your ear. Oh, hey, it's already pairing, so we got a charge. So we will get it ready to go. This should be fun. So I'm giving this a try here. I've actually got them on. They're definitely working. They're paired. I don't know if the microphone is working on this or not. So this is a quick check because I'm trying to find the settings to see if I can actually use it as a microphone while I'm recording video. I'm going to give it a try, play around with some music, play a couple of movies, may throw on some Hamilton just to listen to that a little bit and see how the sound quality is with it, and give you a little bit of feedback. I will say this, these are actually much more comfortable than the headphones I am used to using. When I compare it to the other Bluetooth and other earbuds I've had, these and then the wired ones, these are actually sitting very comfortably. They're angled a little bit better, and I'm actually really impressed by this. This is a good feeling earbud, and my ears are terrible to find earbuds that are comfortable. I've gone through several pairs of wired ones, and I like this. I could use this. When I'm at night sitting in my bed watching stuff on my phone, this is much more comfortable even than the set of earbuds I've been using. So I'm impressed with that. So I've spent about an hour and a half playing around with the headphones. Played some music, watched a little bit of video and everything. I actually got a phone call from my wife and was able to use them. Sounded great. The sound on it is amazing. And I should probably pull it out so I talk normal here. Really impressed with the sound quality of it. That was very nice. They're not noise canceling, which I didn't expect that. But they do a pretty good job. And again, they're comfortable. I had them in my ears for about an hour and a half. So that's actually really good. Kept their charge the whole time. The one thing I did discover in playing around with them, though, and trying to get them to work as a microphone for the video is, one, I found out that apparently Android phones don't like to do that with Bluetooth headsets. That even if you've got Bluetooth set up, they work great on phone calls. But if you want to record using a microphone on your Android phone, it's apparently a real pain in the keister. And if you know how to make this work, please leave me a note in the comments. I would really love to hear it because I'd love to be able to use these that way. I did finally get a voice recorder app to actually work with it. And the sound on that was okay, but that was as much the app as it was the actual headset microphone. And I could tell that just because of the other recordings I did with the other microphone, and they didn't sound real good. Played around with a number of different settings, checked supposedly 3 different apps that would all correct this and allow you to use these as your audio and a microphone. And unfortunately, I was not able to find a way to use it as a microphone and record video, which I really would have liked to, so you could hear the quality of the sound, at least what I'm able to record. But unfortunately, that didn't work. But what I was really impressed with was the sound quality on them. And again, I'm not an audiophile. I can't tell you great sound, perfect sound, amazing, and everything else. Right now, these headsets that I reviewed in my last video are probably my gold standard. Just really, really good sound. And there were actually a couple ways I thought that these were a little smidge better. And maybe it was just because of the way they fit. There were a couple lines in Hamilton where I was actually able to hear the dialogue, the lyrics in the songs a little bit better on these than I was on the other headphones, which that actually caught me by surprise just a little bit. And for headphones, they've actually got decent bass. You don't expect good bass on an earbud because there just isn't the size there to be able to get a good bass thump. But it actually gave a fairly decent representation of bass. Not as good as these, but I didn't expect it to either. So as far as sound quality goes, they actually sound pretty good. And I was impressed with that. Like I said, I've been playing with them for about an hour and a half. My phone says that they still have a good 70% charge, and I haven't even charged them yet. This is what they came out of the box with. And actually the case actually had a good couple clicks charge on it. I am charging it up now, so you can kind of see as you plug it in. It will give you a series of lights there to let you know how well the case is charged. The case charges up separately from the earbuds. So when you put these into the case, these will charge up individually based on whatever the charge is in your actual case for it. So you got to charge the case separately, and then the case itself will charge the earbuds a series of times. The booklet doesn't actually say how many times, but it seems like most of the time it's like 2, 3, or 4 times that they'll charge up. So it kind of gives you an idea of how often you can do it. The manual does say that supposedly a charge on these will last about 8 hours. I'm not going to necessarily keep these around playing them 8 hours on my phone just to give them a full test. But I'll keep playing around with them off and on over the course of the rest of the evening and see what I can get out of it. And see if I can come up with a solution on the microphone. That would be nice. So I had a little more fun playing around with them. Just put them back in the case after using them for 3 more hours. So we ran about 4 hours or so, maybe a little bit more, and they were still showing a 55% charge on my phone. So definitely get the 8 hours. Again, played a lot more music with it. Very impressed with the sound quality. They are almost as good as these, and these are amazing. Really impressed with the amount of bass that they have. I've never had earbuds that actually had bass, and these actually have some bass to them. Really good as far as noise canceling style. They're not full noise canceling, but they definitely give an impression of it, and comfortable. First time I've had earbuds that were actually comfortable and I could keep them in for that long. So really impressed. I only have 2 real complaints about them. One, when you're hooking up with Bluetooth, when you're first syncing it with your Bluetooth, it's going to look like you sync both sides of it. It'll show you sync with the right, show with the left. You're actually only going to sync one. So that's all you need. It won't sync with both at once. It'll tell you that it failed. But they will both work if you sync one. So you only need to do one sync. The commands for it are easy. 1 quick tap is a pause or play. 1 tap to answer the phone. Tap to the right to turn the volume up. Double tap will turn volume up. Double tap on the left will turn your volume down. But, generally easy to use. My one other complaint is I could never get them to work as a microphone when recording. I wish I could have used it right now as a microphone. This is something I can use the ones with the cord on, is I can use them as a microphone while I'm recording video, and the Bluetooth won't do that. As far as I know, it's not necessarily a fault of the headphones or the earbuds. It's a fault of Android, and I haven't been able to find anybody really who's been able to work around that. I tried doing some troubleshooting and other stuff while I was listening to it, and I couldn't figure out how to make it work. If you know a way, please let me know, because I would really, really love to be able to use them that way. But that's my only beef. I can't wait. One of the things I end up doing at night is I end up watching videos and stuff while my wife is sleeping, and I tend to go to sleep later. And I've been using the wired earbuds, even though I don't like them. I can't wait to switch to these tonight. That starts. They run currently, I've seen them for about $50 to $60 online. And from what I've seen, that's a really good deal. Great set of Bluetooth earbuds. Really, really impressed with them. Just to show you the box again, it is these. This is Cystereo Fusion Glare. Great headphones. Really impressed, and I'll try to put a link in the description below. If they don't give me a discount link, and I don't know if they will or not, but there will be a link there, and if it's not a discount, then it will be an affiliate link for me where it will help me out if you enjoy this. Let me know if you have any other questions. I would love to hear them, and drop in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them later. thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much to Cystereo for sending them to me and letting me try them out. It's great. Even the cat here agrees with me, right? Yeah. Anybody want a cat? She needs a home.